Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the current rates for Brit savings. But before we dive into the numbers, let's take a step back and talk about why you might be considering Brit savings in the first place. Brit savings, a brief overview. Brit savings is a relatively new banking platform that offers high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs. They're known for their competitive interest rates and user-friendly interface. Why choose Brit savings? So, why should you consider Brit savings over other banks? Well, for starters, their interest rates are generally higher than what you'd find at a traditional bank. This means your money has the potential to grow faster. Another advantage of Brit savings is their user-friendly app and website. It's easy to open an account, make deposits, and track your progress. Brit savings interest rates. Now, let's get to the meat of the matter, the interest rates. As of current date, Brit savings offers a range of interest rates depending on the type of account you open. High-yield savings account, the current APY, annual percentage yield, for the high-yield savings account is current APY. This is a competitive rate compared to many other banks. Certificates of deposit, CDs. Brit savings offers a variety of CD terms, ranging from 3 months to 5 years. The interest rates for CDs vary depending on the term length. Currently, the highest APY for a CD is current CD APY. It's important to note that interest rates can fluctuate, so it's always a good idea to check the Brit savings website for the most up-to-date information. How to open a Brit savings account. If you're interested in opening a Brit savings account, the process is simple. Just visit their website and click the Open an Account button. You'll need to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Once your account is approved, you can start depositing money. Is Brit savings right for you? Whether or not Brit savings is right for you depends on your individual financial goals and circumstances. If you're looking for a high-yield savings account with competitive interest rates and a user-friendly platform, Brit savings could be a good option. However, it's always a good idea to compare rates and features from different banks before making a decision. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when considering Brit savings. Read the fine print. Before opening an account, be sure to read the terms and conditions carefully. Pay attention to things like minimum balance requirements and fees. Monitor your account. Keep an eye on your account balance and interest rates. This will help you ensure that you're getting the best possible return on your investment. Consider other options. Don't be afraid to shop around for other banks and credit unions. You may be able to find even higher interest rates or better features elsewhere. Brit savings offers competitive interest rates and a user-friendly platform, making it a good option for those looking to grow their savings. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons of Brit savings against other banks before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to check back soon for more financial tips and advice.